Morning from a wet and unpleasant Glasgow, but it's mild and not too cold. Anyway, I'm going to prepare scrambled eggs the way my mother used to do, and that's a long time ago. First of all, I'm preparing the toast, because toast is an important part of the scrambled eggs. So I'm now cutting up the cheese. I know I should probably grate it, but in fact grating is a bit of a chore for me and I can't be bothered. So I'm depending on the heat of the pan to melt the cheese. So I'm using a non-stick pan, otherwise it would congeal and be unpleasant. This cooker is rather antiquated, but never mind, it still works. So I'm going to put the cheese in to melt. Before I put the eggs in, and depending on how many people are going to be eating the scrambled eggs, will depend on the number of eggs I put in, obviously. I've already cut the cheese, it's now melting slowly in the low heat. I'm going to break the eggs into, hopefully, which will be a mixture. So there's going to be 3 2/2 to eat. So I'm using 6 eggs, which I leave to semi-cook. I'm not putting any salt in this because there's salt in the cheese, apart from the fact that I'm aware that we never eat too much salt these days. So I'm putting quite a healthy helping of pepper. As usual, you put on this light to give us more vision. So I'm melting this slowly and allowing the eggs to mix with the cheese. And the important thing, in my opinion, is not to allow it to become hard, because I personally like my eggs quite soft, well, the mixture to be quite soft, and I'm afraid that when it comes to cooking, it's my way or nothing. My kids used to like this. Anyway, I hope you're all well in this wet, dreich morning. But it's not cold and the wind has died down, and that's the toast just letting you know it's ready, although it's not ready, it's burned. So I'll need to do some more toast. Somebody keeps turning up this, the heat of this toaster. That's that wasted. Although if it were me on my own, I would probably eat it. You see? I might eat that later. In fact, I'm going to butter it, because I hate waste. I think maybe a wee bit more pepper. I like to actually see the pepper in the dish. And that was the kettle boiling. So I'm going to make tea for 3 people. That will be likely more required. But we're almost ready to dish up. Plates are hot, or at least they're warm. This might not be an ideal colour. That's too bad. As we said about the eggs. Well, there were 3 eggs. The tip is keeping the pot boiling, so to speak. And we're going to dish up. This is the consistency I like. I don't like the eggs to be hard. I'm taking them off the heat until the toast is prepared, which is brown. And then it's a lot of generous colour. Here we are, folks. I'm dishing up these eggs because they've reached the proper consistency for pleasurable meal, despite being toast being overdone. But that's too bad. Those who don't like it don't need to eat it. And there's more toast coming anyway. So I like the toast to have a good covering of. So that's it. That's quite simple. I know I should have grated the cheese, but then it's melted in the pan.